Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. I can't believe tomorrow is Christmas, that's insane to me. Merry Christmas Eve. I'm going to spend all day today doing lots of holiday baking and laundry. So hopefully your Christmas Eve is more eventful and more fun than mine. Alright, I'm going to get started on these holiday treats. Okay, so I have to make cupcakes for my friend Tanisha and some gingerbread to bring to the crew that's working this week. So I'm going to go ahead and make the cupcakes first because I'll give them time to cool down while I make the gingerbread men, and then once those are made and the cupcakes are cooled, I'll go ahead and make the frosting. Alright, so I got my first batch in the oven. I think I'm probably going to have like 2.5, maybe 3 batches of cupcakes. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this mess that I've made. But before I do, I want to show you like a little baking tip or trick, I guess, with filling cupcakes. So if you guys have a batter that's like a little bit runnier, instead of trying to scoop it into the individual cupcake tins, I like to put it in like a measuring cup because it has a spout, and just pour them right into the cupcake liners. So this may not be a new trick, but I just recently started doing this and it's made my life so much easier. Okay, so first batch out of the oven. I'm going to let them rest for 5 minutes and then put them on a cooling rack. I may have overfilled some because they're looking a little bit more like muffins instead of cupcakes, especially this big one. Holy moly. But yeah, maybe I can trim it down and then cover it with frosting. Okay, my dogs are bad. I was making the caramel sauce for the frosting, and I had my back to them, and the next thing I know, I see them. Pepper, stop! Oh gosh, they're eating all the cupcakes.
I can't be mad at you.
Tanisha, you're down 1 cupcake. Pepper stole it off the counter, and the dogs ate it. Oh, Peanut, give that back! What are you doing? Peanut, no, give that wrapper back. Hey, the guilty one, this one. Morton was good. Peanut was an accomplice. Well, alright, we're short a cupcake because of that troublemaker, Pepper. Alright, the dogs have left the kitchen. Hopefully, I have 29 cupcakes remaining, and that's like an awkward number for me. So, I don't know. I can't believe they ate those cupcakes. So naughty. But yeah, alright. Now they're in the kitchen, they're staring at me. I'm gonna go ahead and make the butterfring. See, I'm so like crazy right now because these dogs. Oh, okay. I'm going to make the buttercream frosting. Alright, frosting's done. I made a little bit of a mess of powdered sugar, and it's all over me as well. Mike has created a fortress to keep the dogs out, except Peanut can still get in. Oh, Morton found a... Hey. The fortress doesn't work.
Because you made a hole.
Come on, out.
You made a hole.
Morton, come on. What are you doing? Okay, you just jump over the thing. Works good enough. Peanut can still come in, but she can't reach the countertops. Alright, no, you stay. You have your sister to thank for. Ah! Don't look so sad. You can't manipulate me. You stay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get these cupcakes frosted. Alright, cupcakes are frosted. They're in here. Transport tomorrow. The frosting came out a little bit more liquidy than I liked, but I'm hoping by sitting in the refrigerator they will firm up. So fingers crossed that works out. Okay, the cupcakes are done. The dogs are hopped up on sugar. So I'm probably going to hear them playing. Yep, okay. So, just finished cleaning the kitchen. So, we're going to make some paw print ornaments for the dogs. But I'm waiting for Mike to finish up his task. So while he's doing that, I thought I'd go ahead and stuff these stockings. Do you see her? She thinks there's more cupcakes up there. Yeah, they're all gone, aren't they, Pepper? You see her? She's surveying the kitchen. What, bud? No more cupcakes. Okay. So I thought I'd show you guys what I'm putting in the stockings. This is what happens when they have sugar. They get extra crazy. Okay. So everybody's going to be getting like a little laundry detergent. This is the 7th generation free and clear. I was thinking about getting Tide Pods to put in their stockings, but I found these in the travel section. They're gonna get a hand cream. Let me see if I can move you guys a little bit closer so you can see these better. Okay, right, so laundry soap. And this is my favorite hand cream for this time of year, so I figured they would like that as well. Some washable wet erase markers. We use these on the jet when we're doing our scenarios and training and whatnot, so you can never have enough of these. They're gonna get hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. Morton, stop, please. And then a chocolate bar from Comparte's Chocolate. So, and they're all different. So we got like California Love, Donuts and Coffee, Coney Island, California Dreaming, chocolate chip cookies, potato chip crisp, and campfire s'mores. So when I lived in California, I discovered this chocolate place down in LA, and so yeah, every year for Christmas I give my coworkers what am I trying to say? I give them chocolate bar. So yeah, so laundry soap, hand cream, markers, candy, or chocolate bars, hand sanitizer, and then they're gonna get candy canes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those stuffed and put up. Paw print ornaments. We have to shave some feet or paws. So we're gonna do that real quick.
Squat behind her and grab front right paw.
Okay, that didn't. Okay, that didn't work out. Okay. No, I can do it. Morgan just pushed me. Let's go. Hang on. She's not happy right now. Okay, come on then. Okay. Okay. Come here, baby. Sit.
Sit. Sit.
Good girl. Okay. Front. Let me get a treat. Maybe the treats will.
What are you doing? Just hold her.
I'm gonna bribe her real quick.
It's not gonna work.
Okay. Sit. 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 Okay, it didn't work. Sometimes treats work. Come here. Just turn. Okay. She's not having any of it. Alright, Pepper. Good girl. Good girl. Do you want to inspect your paw?
No, I mean all you had to do was just cut down the hair that was between the toes.
Come on. Okay, Morton and Pepper got their feet shaved. Peanut doesn't have to, she's not hairy. Alright, so, got a little kit. Need putty for 30 seconds. So a template, that packaging,
What?
is that a template as well?
No. What?
It says spread putty out in template provided.
These are templates.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna do first.
We do peanut. So we can pick her up and put her on like that.
Okay. So we want to put her in a small one or a big one?
Small one, obviously. I believe in you.
I'm getting.
Remember, not all of it has to go on it.
Spread putty one pen provided. It is because the whole thing
No.
is like, what am I doing with it?
You don't have. I mean, you don't have to use all the putty.
No, I have to make it though
Mhm.
fit the ring. Place your pet's paw and putty to make impression.
Hold the thing down. Make
Okay.
sure she doesn't move it. And this. Thank you.
Alright.
Good job. Good job.
Sorry, peanut.
I want you to do it with like a marker or something.
Yeah, I can do that. Okay. Alright. Next.
Oh, you got extra putty over there. Put it in the center. This wheel is not wide
Big enough.
That is unfortunate.
Um,
Start from here.
I have a rolling pin.
Do that.
Where do I have a rolling pin? Okay, I do not have one in here. I don't know, I
We'll do Morton.
Okay. On the ground. Okay, bud. Oh, he's just curious.
Good boy. Ready?
Yeah.
I need this paw. Thank you. And we're going down. And I think we're good.
Ta-da! Good boy, Morton. Look, it's your paw print.
Can I eat it?
No.
Now Pepper's gonna be an asshole. Pepper, come here. Come here. Pepper, come here. Morton,
She
no.
says no.
Come on.
First you shave my foot, now this.
Come on, baby.
Good, Pepper.
Come on.
She says, no, Dad.
Come here, baby. It's fine.
She's like, no. Okay, come here.
Out.
All right, Pepper. Ready to be immortalized?
Here you go. Come on. Press. Yep. Perfect.
Hers is pretty.
I like it.
Alright.
Good boy.
Alright, we have 3 ornaments. This is Peanut, Morton, and Pepper. Complete with her
Pepper
hair.
ran away from me. I was just walking towards her. She's like, no.
Good boy. Did you enjoy that? Pepper did not. What's wrong, Pepper? Did you not enjoy that experience? The whole feet shaving. She did not. Okay, yes. Okay, so, oh, geez, Morton. It's not even that time yet. Okay. Hey guys, alright, so I'm done for the day. We're gonna go watch some Christmas movies and eat some popcorn. So, there's only 2 presents under the tree. Yes, Morton? What? What are you trying to tell me? Ugh. Okay. Alright, so day 24. Alright, so for day 24 you get some pattern weights. Let me go ahead and open these up so I can show you guys. So, they're like little, what do you call this? Hexagon, octagon. How many sides does the octagon have? 8?
6.
No, octo has 6. Hexagon is. Octagon has 8. Hexagon has 6. Okay.
Damn it, I was hoping you'd believe
So
me.
little hexagon slates, pattern weights that they're pretty thick, and they have like little cactuses etched in them. So like there's one, and they're all different. This one, oh, Morton just licked this one, so it's wet. Sorry, guys. It'll dry when you get them. Like this cactus. And I believe it's a set of 6 or 8. Alright, so if you guys would like to win today's gift, you have to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then leave me a comment below letting me know of any Christmas Eve traditions you or your family may have. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be Christmas tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.